Ready. To take your knowledge to next level. Guess the year of independence. Here are the options. Ready. Get. Set. Guess the year of independence of. United States of America. Options are A. 1776 B. 1789 C. 1804 It's 1776. Guess the year of independence of. France. Options are A. 1776 B. 1789 C. 1804 It's 1789. Guess the year of independence of. Haiti. Options are A. 1804 B. 1821 C. 1830 It's 1804. Guess the year of independence of. Greece. Options are A. 1789 B. 1830 C. 1821 It's 1821. Guess the year of independence of. Belgium. A. 1821 B. 1830 C. 1776 It's 1830. Guess the year of independence of. Brazil. A. 1821 B. 1830 C. 1822 It's 1822. Guess the year of independence of. Mexico. A. 1776 B. 1821 C. 1821 It's 1821. Guess the year of independence of. China. A. 1776 B. 1789 C. 1949 It's 1949. That Australia gained independence in what year? Australia. A. 1867 B. 1901 C. 1804 It's 1901. Guess the year of independence of. India. A. 1910 B. 1923 C. 1947 It's 1947. Guess the year of independence of. Indonesia. A. 1776 B. 1821 C. 1945 It's 1945. Guess the year of independence of. Vietnam. A. 1776 B. 1821 C. 1945 It's 1945. Guess the year of independence of. South Korea. A. 1919 B. 1948 C. 1923 It's 1948. Guess the year of independence of. North Korea. A. 1919 B. 1948 C. 1923 It's 1948. South Africa gained full independence in which year? A. 1776 B. 1961 C. 1910 It's 1961. Guess the year of independence of. Canada. A. 1776 B. 1867 C. 1867 It's 1867. Guess the year of independence of. Russia. A. 1919. B. 1991. C. 1932. It's 1991. When did Germany reunify? A. 1990. B. 1923. C. 1932. It's 1990. Guess the year of independence of Pakistan. A. 1952. B. 1947. C. 1923. It's 1947.
New to this channel? Please subscribe and take your knowledge to next level. It's Quizcracker presentation.